U.S. Ninth Circuit rules First Amendment does not apply to YouTube and other online forums. Case was dismissed by lower courts and upheld in appeals, citing Supreme Court precedents. Big quote, Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble, and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. First Amendment, U.S. Constitution. It is a common misconception that the First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution protects citizens' right to say anything they want anywhere they want. However, its purpose and language are to prevent the government from restricting speech. The First Amendment does not apply to private businesses such as restaurants and banks or online platforms like YouTube. The Ninth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals has once again upheld a decision by lower courts to dismiss a lawsuit brought by Praga University against Google. According to the ruling, internet platforms are not subject to the First Amendment. Conservative talk show host Dennis Prager, who runs the non-profit Prageru, claimed that YouTube set a large number of his videos ranging from abortion to gun rights as restricted and demonetized them. He asserted that this was a violation of his freedom of speech. The courts disagreed. In a unanimous 3-0 decision, the Ninth Circuit said that despite YouTube's ubiquity and its public accessibility, it is not a state actor. Despite YouTube's ubiquity and its role as a public-facing platform, it remains a private forum, not a public forum subject to judicial scrutiny under the First Amendment, wrote Circuit Judge Margaret McEwen. Prageru runs headfirst into two insurmountable barriers: the First Amendment and Supreme Court precedent, Manhattan County. Access Corporation v. Halleck. The court also dismissed an allegation of false advertisement. Prager asserted that YouTube's claims about free speech such as everyone deserves to have a voice, and the world is a better place when we listen, share, and build community through our stories was misrepresentative of its policies. McEwen said that these statements were not advertisements, but merely opinions. Our products are not politically biased, said Google spokesman Farshad Shadlu. This decision vindicates important legal principles that allow us to provide different choices and settings to users. Prageru attorney Peter Upsala told Reuters that the Seattle Appeals Court's decision was very limited and that it was only based on the facts alleged in this case. Upsala was referring to another related Prageru's lawsuit against Google in California, where state laws are more favorable to the plaintiff. However, it is worth mentioning for more on this story, visit the news article link.